Hey folks, Dennis here with Las Vegas Worm Farm, and I've got some lemons that we try to make lemonade out of. I don't know, I don't think I like Myers lemons. Maybe it's just me, but they make some, it just tastes like cleaner. I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. But either way, that's not the topic of today. The topic of today is the worm bin. Y'all remember the in-ground worm bin that we made? Well, I have two markers. This to find it when plants start growing, and then this is just there. As you guys can see, look at that, it's sunken down, right? So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna try to put this so you guys can see it. Maybe we'll do it like this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add citrus to our worm bins. Yes, I know people are like, oh no, don't put citrus in the worm bin, it's not good. An outdoor system like this is way more forgiving, and absolutely you can put it in there. So what I'm gonna do first is pull out a lot of this compost that we had on top and the wood chips, and I'm just going to dig down, and as you can see, some of this stuff is already turned into nice worm castings, or soil, what some people would call. All of the stuff that we fed before is gone, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the bottom of this and put more stuff in. So I'm just going to throw those in there like that. Wop wop. Look at that guy. We got a little baby worm right there. Nice. We're gonna throw that guy back in the hole. We got a bunch of worms. Of course, it's a worm bin, right? So, probably shouldn't have did this during the daytime. Don't recommend that. Always do it when the sun's down. Always do it when the sun's down. Don't do like me. And we're gonna put some of this soil back in here just to keep everything covered up. But besides that, look at that one. We got a nice little fat worm right there. Oh, it's got a little clitellum, little adult. Yep. Alrighty. Put that guy back down in there, and we're gonna cover this stuff up. And the reason we cover it up, usually I would use wood chips. I don't have. Actually, I do have plenty of wood chips. Let's do that. So we're gonna grab wood chips. We're gonna do it the right way. And I'm gonna put 2 to 3 inches layer of wood chips on there. There we go. And that's it. That's gonna be our pile. Now this stuff right here, I could use this in my garden. I could use it in my seed mix, right? Because it's nice. It looks like normal soil. It's not what we started with. So that is how we add more food to our worm bin. Actually, I could have thrown this in there too. And I probably will. I'm just gonna pull some of this stuff out. There we go. Because it's carbon food, right? We're just gonna throw those wood chips back in there on top. There we go. That's it. I'll put my rock back on top so I know where it's at, and my stick. And if I have any more food scraps, that's where they'll go.
Call in today. Turn that dirt to gold. Go the Vegas way. Castings will save ya. The answer's alive. Call the worm guy. Let your garden thrive.